Okay, morning everyone again. We are doing our daily maths workout, Fluent in 5, week 22, day 3 we're up to. So there's only 2 more days actually left in the booklet to complete, and then you'll have done all of them, right? So do let me know how you get on. For the people who haven't got the booklet anymore, there's the questions. Pause the video, have a little go at them, tell me which strategies you've used and how you got on, how many marks you got at the end, okay? Let me see. Yeah, I think there's a 2-mark question, just in case. Don't forget to give yourself 2 marks if you get that one right. All right, I'll rub them off. Here it goes.
Talking to you about all sorts of things, and you've probably seen everything within your years of experience.
Right, question number 1. 55,000. Oh, I was going to put it in a column there, but I think it's easy enough to do mentally using our strategies, our place value strategies. So I'm just going to keep it in a line. Equals 55,000 add 14,000. So if you work out which numbers are in which column, place value column, you should be able to work this out quite easily. We've got the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands. So 5,000 add 4,000. I know, I can put that in my head, it's 9,000. And then we've got the tens of thousands column. 5 tens of thousands, 50,000, add 1 10,000 is 60,000, 69,000, and that is your answer without doing any hard maths at all. So 69,000, that's the answer to question 1. Did you do it a different way? Let me know. Okay, question number 2, 3,411. It's not inside a bus stop today, but I'm going to put it inside one. Okay, 3,411, and we're dividing by 9. We want groups of 9 this time. So my trick to hold up the first amount of fingers so we don't get confused and we don't start timesing, we're looking for how many groups of 9 can I get from 3? Can't get any. Haven't got enough. So I can't get any. What am I going to do with this 3? I'm going to put it on the next number to make the number 34. Okay, now I'm looking for how many groups of 9 I can get out of 34. So counting in 9s, 9, 18, 27, 36. Can't get to 36, so I can get 3 groups. If you get stuck at this point and you forgot what you've counted, 9 times 3, I can use the inverse. 9 times 3 is 27. What's the difference between 27 and 34? Let's count the difference. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So there's a remainder of 7. There's 7 left over, which I'm going to put on the next number along and make a new number. 71 now. Next piece of maths. How many 9s can I fit into 71? Let's count in 9s again. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. Oh, can't quite get to 72. So I've got 7 groups of 9. 7 9s are 63. What's the difference between 63 and 71? 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 8. I'm going to put that 8 onto the next number, which makes the number 81. Last piece of maths to do. How many 9s can I get into 81? Well, I know my 9 times table. 9 times 9 is 81. Let's just double check for those people. And it is a good little tip that we use sometimes in class to write the times table out. And that keeps you right. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. So there's 9 exactly. Today we don't have to write a remainder on the end. So 3,411 shared equally by 9 is 379. Exactly. Right. Question number 3. Is this a mystery number? Dun, dun, dun. What you've got to spot here is that the equal sign is in the middle. So something equals or is the same as 7 times 5 times 3. Okay, so I've got to make this side and this side the same. So if I work out what that is, I should get the answer on this side. That's what it is. 7 times 5 times 3. Ooh, you might be able to do this in a quicker way than me. I'm just going to do it as it is. 7 5s are 35. And 35 times 3, well, double 35 is 70. 30 and 30 is 60. 5 and 5 is 10, so that would be 70. And then if I added on an extra 35, I would get 105.
To being a child.
105. So that is the answer to question 3, 105. Right, question number 4. This is the long one. This is the 2 marker. 2 marks because you've got loads of work to do. Well, not that much really. Okay, I've got my trusty post-it note ready. 8,837 times 27. Okay, which number don't I need straight away? Well, I don't need this 2 here, so I'm just going to cover it over. Okay, I'm just going to times this number by 7 and get my first line of calculations. So 7 times 7 is 49. 9 in the box, 4 on the doorstep, on my free doorstep. 3 times 7 is 21. Add the 4, 22, 23, 24, 25. 5 in the box, 2 on the doorstep. Cross that one off, don't need it anymore. 8 times 7 is 56. Add the 2, 57, 58. 8 in the box. 5 on the doorstep, don't need that one anymore. 8 times 7 is 56 again. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Start a new column, no more maths to do. So that number is 61,859. Okay, right, I'm finished with the 7 now. So I might as well cross that one over. Now I am just timesing by the 2, which stands for 20, doesn't it? Because it's in the tens column. So I need to remember the viz. I hope you can see this. Oh, my phone doesn't fall over again. So I'm putting in the viz, the very important 0. Now I just do exactly the same thing. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 in the box. Oh, got no doorstep left. I'll put it in the sky. Fly it in the sky. 3 times 2 is 6. Add the 1 is 7. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 in the box, fly that one in the sky. 8 times 2 is 16, add the 1 is 17. I've got no more maths to do. So now I'm just going to add those 2 together. I'm going to do it really small actually, just in case you can't see. 0 add 9 is 9. 5 add 4 is 9. 8 add 7 is 15. 5 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. 6 add 1 is 8. 7 add 6 is 13. 3 in the box, 1 on the doorstep. And 1 add 1 is 2. I hope you can see this. The answer is 238,599 for 2 marks. Okay, hope you're doing really well, the people watching this video.
And real staying power. Introducing the
Okay, next one.
blade range.
Question number 4. Oh, 5. 5, that went over quick. Okay, really easy addition. 74,504. Sorry about my phone. Add 71,206. Okay, let's go for it. So we're just adding numbers together and using the doorstep if there are any carried across. So 6 add 4 is 10. 0 goes in the box, the 1 on the doorstep. 0 add 0 add 1, 1. 5 add 2 is 7. Put in my thousands comma. 4 add 1 is 5. And 7 add 7 is 14. So I'm starting a new column and I've got no more maths to do. So 14 can just spread itself amongst the box there. What number is that? Remember, we see them in groups of 3. 145,710. Well done, everybody.